Hello, welcome to Cyclonic Activities Officials. Yesterday, an area of disturbance has formed over north-central Bay of Bengal. Thus, a low-pressure area is very likely to form in northwest Bay of Bengal within next 24 hours, and then it is likely to be more well marked in the same region. It is then likely to move towards west-northwestwards towards Odisha coast. Thus, heavy rainfall is very likely to occur in part of Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh for next 1 to 2 days.